Hello everybody, I'm Kyle with Utility Composites Incorporated. We are the manufacturer of RAPTOR polymer composite fasteners. RAPTOR composite fasteners are different than metal fasteners. Having a clear understanding of these important differences will ensure that you have a positive experience with RAPTOR. In this episode of RAPTOR University, I will explain 4 key things that make RAPTOR different from metal and why they are so important for best performance. Number 1, tool selection. 2, proper technique. 3, the science of RAPTOR's holding power. And 4, proper nail length selection. People often ask me, do I need to use your tool? In short, the answer is yes. For some people, I realize that's an immediate deal breaker. I have heard many times, I don't want to buy another tool when I already have one that fires a similar metal fastener. In cases like this, I certainly wish that RAPTOR fasteners worked in your tool for metal fasteners, but they just won't. Here's the reason. RAPTOR fasteners need tight lateral support during driving. The drive chamber must be tight so that the nail cannot shift left or right. When the drive chamber has too much wiggle room, nails can get slightly off angle, leaving room for flexing of the nails. The result? Poor drivability in most substrates, especially the harder ones. Your tool might work with RAPTOR in very soft woods, such as balsa or cedar. However, it will not drive RAPTOR up to the hardnesses achieved by the tools that we have specifically designed for RAPTOR fasteners. Because of the tight drive chamber, you cannot use metal nails in these tools without risk of damage. For RAPTOR staples, we offer pneumatic and manual staplers. If your wooden material is hard, you will get the best drivability and performance using pneumatic staplers rather than manual staplers. For those of you who see the benefits of RAPTOR in your application, but you are hesitant to purchase a new tool, we have the perfect solution for you. With approved credit, you can try before you buy through our demo tool program. This enables you to receive a demo tool and samples of RAPTOR fasteners to test with at your facility for a period of 15 days. At the end of the trial period, if you're like most people, you will end up feeling like you cannot work without this system. At that point, you simply pay for the tool and order the RAPTOR fasteners that work best for your application. However, if at the end of the demo tool period you don't feel that RAPTOR is the right fit for you, simply send the tool back to us in the original packaging. All that will come out of your pocket at that point is the shipping expense to return the tool. If you ask me, that's a pretty good deal. You get to test what could be a huge solution to problems in your application with very minimal risk. Which brings me to my next point. Tool technique does matter for success with RAPTOR. If I were to hand one of our tools to someone who has decades of experience with pneumatic tools and metal fasteners, and I hand that same tool to someone who has never used a pneumatic tool in their life, the first timer would have better results. The reason is, people who have been using pneumatic tools for years will have a technique that works very well for metal, but is not precise enough for firing plastic nails. The first timer will be more steady and more deliberate with the tool, which is a key for success when using RAPTOR. Moving the tool during insertion can break RAPTOR nails. Bump fire techniques can be a problem unless careful technique is used. The operator must hold the tool steady and firm to the surface during driving. So you may wonder, will using RAPTOR slow my production down? Yes, but only initially until the operator learns the technique necessary for successful drivability. After that, the rate will go back to the same. So when you test RAPTOR fasteners at your facility, please use a steady and firm technique. Now let's discuss the holding power of RAPTOR fasteners. Would you believe me if I told you that wood joints made with RAPTOR fasteners have approximately twice the tensile strength as those made with metal fasteners? Well, they do. When a RAPTOR fastener is driven into wood, it melts and bonds to the fibers of the wood like a glue so that the fastener cannot be pulled out. This provides exceptional tensile strength of the joint. So with RAPTOR, it's not about the head, but rather the shank of the fastener that provides the holding power. A metal fastener depends on friction along the shank to hold the joint. So, longer metal nails will provide more friction for better holding. Using RAPTOR in wood attachment applications, you only need about 3/8 of an inch penetration into the bottom substrate to gain sufficient holding so the nail cannot be pulled out. The RAPTOR nail must be broken to separate the wood joint. If you drive a RAPTOR nail 1 inch into the bottom substrate, you gain no additional holding power since you still have to break the nail to separate the wood. But you do decrease drivability. Shorter nails drive better into harder substrates. So, use the shortest nail that cannot be pulled out for best holding and best drivability. Now, while the tensile strength is about twice as strong as metal, the shear strength of the nailed connection is only about half as strong. For this reason, RAPTOR fasteners are intended for non-structural applications, or for temporary holding while cutting, or to act as a clamp while glue sets. Before we wrap up this video, let's summarize the major differences of RAPTOR nails versus metal nails. 1. A special tool is required for these fasteners to work properly, and we have a demo program to let you try them before you buy them. 2. Of the tools designed for RAPTOR staples, pneumatic tools provide the best results for harder substrates. 3. Steady and firm technique with the tool provides the best drivability of RAPTOR fasteners. 4. In wood, RAPTOR fasteners hold about twice as strong as metal in tensile, but are only about half as strong in shear. So RAPTOR cannot be used for structural applications. And finally, 5. For best drivability and holding, use the shortest RAPTOR nail that cannot be pulled out. So now you understand the most important technical aspects of RAPTOR fasteners. In our next video in the RAPTOR University series, we will highlight what you have all been waiting for, the RAPTOR product line. We hope you will join us. For questions regarding RAPTOR, please contact us using the information on the next screen. We are always happy to hear directly from you and learn more about your application. Thank you for tuning in to this edition of RAPTOR University. I hope to see you on the next edition. And always remember, whenever metal fasteners are a problem, RAPTOR is the solution.